Guys, we out here with the family. Mom's here, the boys here. We outside. We at the football game for Nemi's, which is gone somewhere down there. With Nemi's right there. Say hi.
That doesn't even see us. God damn it.
But he didn't see us. He's in the zone. But it's family time for Friday, and then we're gonna see what we get into this weekend, right? Da 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 da. That's my boy right there. Getting ready for the halftime show. Where's the ball at? Down right there. Let's go Central. Ball went. Where'd the ball go?
There's so many balls.
The ball's everywhere. I have found the ball. The ball is right there. The ball's right there. My boy locked in. My boy locked in.
He's in the...
Get that shit, boy. Get that shit, boy.
What is it that they do? The dab?
You locked the fuck in,
He locked the fuck in. Okay.
So is this man. He's locked the fuck in.
He getting jiggy with it.
Jamming.
Woo!
Yeah. Go Central! Yes, sir! Got that motherfucking touchdown. Let's go. We thought it was a touchdown, but it wasn't. It's just the first down. So they're making them reset. Now what? Fucking reps are tripping, bro. What the fuck? Let them boys play. Let's go ahead and let y'all know I'm a little teed up, you know what I'm saying, on school campus, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm a little teed up, you know.
He's a fucking rapper. Oh, was that? Oh,
I don't know what the fuck's going on, bro.
was it a touchdown? Yeah, it was a touchdown.
It was touchdown?
I fucking love football.
All right, come on, Central. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Light work. Fuck Loganville. What they doing? I'm about to say, what the fuck they doing? Got 50 more seconds till halftime, and they're right back in the middle. And then my boy's about to start playing. So, let's see. Bro down, bro down. My leg hurts. My leg. All right, it's halftime. Everybody rolling out. Where my boy at? Where Nemi's at?
He's behind that somewhere.
Nemi's. Nemi's! Nemi's! That boy Nemi's. I can't even zoom in that far. He's right there though. He's right there. He getting set up. that's gonna wrap it up for the first half of the game. Second half, I'm gonna just enjoy it. He's eating his Cheetos. So, second half, I'm gonna just enjoy it, and then I'll let y'all know whenever I'm on the way home. Right, Dax? He just wants the camera. Eat your Cheeto. Cheeto? Yeah, Cheeto. I see y'all whenever I see y'all, bitches. What you got to say to the vlog, man? Alright, we on the way home. Got to drop mom off, and then we head to the house. Alright, day 2 of the weekend. I gotta go get some keys made. Then we're gonna work on the queue today, and then I gotta work on the Rev, just because it's got some weird brake issue going on. So that's what we're gonna do today. And first off, we're just gonna go first get some coffee, and then hit Harbor Freight, look around, and then Home Depot to make keys. Gotta get that coffee. If you know, you know, bro. Yep. Out of order. Insane. Fuck it. Caramel. Alright, so homeboy got some zip ties, some necessities, a new flashlight, just because I needed one. And then we're going to be doing some welding later. So I need flap disc. So, yurt. Alright, let's go get these keys made. Gotta get that key. Need 3 of these motherfuckers. Alright, got keys made. Trying to get out of traffic. Got my coffee on top of my other coffee. And then we going... What the fuck, bro?
Tesla drivers.
Fucking Tesla drivers, bro. Anyways, we're going back to the house, and then we're gonna go fix the exhaust on the Q. All right, we back at it with the Q. Exhaust is said, can't even tell. That shit done for. So what we're gonna do is probably use some pipe, if I still got the pipe, some pipe, and then make some different hangers for it, and then see where we go from there. All right, so my makeshift exhaust hanger, that failed, obviously, and then my other hanger down there, see it right there? You can hardly see it. See the hanger right there? That fell off. So, and there's my other part of the exhaust hanger. So my whole exhaust was just dragging. So, dragging a little bit of frame, you know. It was cool. It was alright. Other than that, no damage. No damage. We're good. I mean, other than the frame, but you know, we good. But I guess let's get started, and we'll go ahead and yank this tip off. And then maybe chop it right here, fix that hanger, and fix these hangers, and then we'll go from there. Stinky came to join me down here while I'm welding up the exhaust. That fat ass dent though. But this is what it's gonna stick out like. And then I'm just welding it up now. She came down here to chill with me too, so. Yurt. having a brake issue with the Rav. On this side, it sounds like it's like rubbing on rubber. It's weird. So I'm just gonna inspect the brakes on this one. That's it. That's all the damages from Gatlinburg. So, I mean, for a 4.5, 5-hour trip, it's not bad.
They thought they seen a UFO praying that I find me a club with some cheaper dope.
Just a secret hack. If you're gonna pad slap your car, chamfer your edges of your brake pad. Just take a wire wheel, chamfer it, just like this. That way it doesn't fuck your rotors up.
It is finished. It is finished, That's. He's not happy.
Alright, so that's kind of a wrap for, you know,
Saturday at least.
Saturday. Maybe tomorrow I might decide to raise the mid pipe part of my exhaust, maybe. But for today, that's wraps. It's time to relax, bro. Yeah, I'm about to return this motherfucker that I had to buy from wherever up there in Gatlinburg, just cause I fucking needed it. And then I'm gonna get my wheels fixed sometime soon. But rocking the 370, there's my boy. Rocking the 370s for now. And then I'm gonna get my wheels fixed eventually later. I had this fucking bitch right here fucking yelling at me because I was fucking driving crazy. Like, bitch, you're impeding traffic. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, bitch, get the fuck out of here. That's a good fucking bitch. You better get the fuck on. Alright, so I got my money back. Just gotta wait for it to hit. And then, yeah, that's wraps for the day. We're finna go get something to eat. Maybe some Shitty Bell. And then, cause she wants, baby wants Shitty Bell?
Baby wants Shitty Bell.
Okay, so baby wants Shitty Bell, so we getting Shitty Bell. You ready for Shitty Bell, buddy? Yeah? Yeah. I'm not. Alright, we gonna go down to the park and then get some steps in just cause we ate Taco Bell. And then fuck this red light. And then we're gonna get some steps in because we ate Taco Bell. And then we're gonna go to Walmart. And I need new chocolates because mine broke in half. So, and I'm still in them, so. We out here. Oh, goddamn. Fucking got a goddamn car accident.
Trying to fix the fan.
Gotta watch your damn fucking claim insurance on you, goddamn. Dinky. Swing them feet. Swing them feet.
Sun in my face, man. I can't see shit.
I'm blind. I can't see.
Too fast.
He's getting down with it. Dinky, you ready for slide?
Whee! Yeah. He's like, okay. You didn't like that? No?
Alright, so we went to Walmart, got me some new chanclas, got me a beanie, cause it's been cold, cause, you know, bald headed motherfucker. now I'm finna go pick up a free jack. And I mean, you can't complain about a free jack. I mean, come on. It's a Durlash jack. So, all right, new jack achieved. It's a jack, so I mean, whatever. But if I had to say to buy a jack, do not buy this jack. These are junk. I already have one. It's right there. They're fucking junk. Get you a real man's jack, a Daytona from Harbor Freight, and they're half the cost of those. So, but I just took it because it was free. So, you know, free jack, can't complain, and it works. So, whatevs. Don't buy this jack. That's gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm gonna go wash Stinky because it's bath time for him. Sorry for the lighting. It's bath time for him, and then go smoke some, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then we'll see you tomorrow, because I'm going to start doing, you know, weekend activities of what I'm doing. So, at least, you know, provide some content. So, if you like these type of videos, let me know down in the comments. Like, subscribe. And then also, we hit 1K subs. We hit 1K subs. I appreciate it. I love y'all. I fucking, bruh, right here to me, bruh. I didn't think I'd be able to hit 1K subs, but we did it. I don't know how, but we did it. But I'm ending it off on that note. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And then let me know what content you want to see, bro. All right. Peace, y'all.